We are asking the universe for someone to love who is super sexy, and oh my god, I think we just found them. Step front.
This feeling that's refreshing my life, and I don't want it to
You're so excited you're about to meet this person. You've seen their profile, and it looks promising, unlike your ex. Rita, reach to the front. Take it back.
My cheeks pull back to return that. Oh, in life I know there's no guarantee.
2 more times.
Before I talk to you, I rehearse it. I can f this up, and it worth it.
Don't you dare f this up, Allison. Now thirsty throw. You are so thirsty for your crush. God, it's been so long. Tornado. Ask for it, go. Open up. Walk to the side. Reach. Butterfly flutter. Ask for it. Let's go. Step front. Boy, does it feel good to receive. Alright, your break's over. You're gonna reach like Rita Ora. Let's go.
When you smile, I feel like I earned that, and my cheeks pull back to return that. Oh, in life I know there's no guarantee.
2 more times. I'm so tired.
I can f this up, but it worth it. Oh, come and lay your love on me.
Thirsty throw.
All that I want is your body since it's been so
Allison, you look really parched.
Since a little bit home in, now I see I'm your leaf.
Ask for it.
You shall receive it.
Open up. I know that's hard if you're an Aquarius. Flutter. In a circle. You are falling in love. And gosh, it feels so good. You know, sometimes you just have to ask for what you want in this life. Even it seems crazy. Like right now, I just want Rita Ora to show up and dance with us in this video. But that's just wishful thinking, I guess. Take me to the front. Oh my god! Walk to the side! Hi, Rita!
What's up, honey?
I'm just dancing with you, Jesus Christ!
Let's do it! Did you ask for me, by the way?
I did ask for you, and I'm in love with you. Let's go. Rita's crushing it.
Yours forever. You're welcome.
I didn't even ask for live vocals, and we got them.